Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get more TikTok followers for free and instant. It's really simple to do. I've made a similar video in the past, so this is just another method that works similar. So I'm just going to tell you guys that this isn't the best way to grow your TikTok account if you want organic traffic and you want them to actually watch your content. This is just a good way to get followers if you want followers, and this one is a little bit better and faster than the last one I showed on my YouTube account. So it's really easy to do as well. So you just want to start on the TikTok app, and all you want to do is search for very popular accounts. So you can start by searching for like Charlie here. The goal is just to find popular accounts, maybe 5 or 6 of them. So we can do follow, and then it'll bring up some accounts under it. So we can just follow a couple of the most popular ones. Just like this. And now once we have like 5 or 6 popular accounts, we want to go back to our profile. So you just go to the Me tab at the bottom, go here, and all you want to do is literally just click follow and unfollow, just like this, on all of them. Just like this. Let me take a look. And as you can see, I'm starting to get followers already. There's 2 right there, so we can just do it again. Just quickly unfollow and follow them back. It's really that simple. Just like this. And as you guys can see, there's 2 more right there. It's really that easy to do. You could do this for a while until I think they block you. I don't think you'll have an issue with them blocking you if you're just doing a couple accounts at a time. But yeah, it's really simple to do, guys. I really hope I was able to help with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching.